Hello, today I gonna tell you 4 things about MMM. First, ideology of MMM. Second, how MMM works. Third, rules of MMM. Fourth, benefit of MMM. The modern world is very bad. It is just for rich peoples, not for poor peoples. If you have money, then you survive in this world. But if you have no money, then this world is not for you. The world is for those who produce money. Example, business person, politician, banker, etc. What is money? Money is not money is not just a piece of paper. It's something that we need to survive in this planet. Without money, you are nothing in this world. Even that without money, you cannot survive in this world. How MMM works? MMM is not a bank. MMM not an online business. MMM not a hype investment. MMM not a MLM program. MMM does not collect your money. MMM there is no boss, no owner. MMM is a community where people help each other, which help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide for help. How money transferred? Money is transferred directly to participant. Let's suppose if Ali want to provide help of $100 and there is another participant Raza who want to get help of $100, then MMM communicate us with each other and Ali directly transferred $100 to Raza account. There is no central bank where all money is collected. What is Mavro? MMM have Mavro. MMM is virtual currency of the system. Its rates always grow up with a 30-100% month. It depends on a Mavro type. You can buy Mavro at any time and in any amount, and so you can sell it at any time too with the new higher rate. In other words, buy, wait a little but until the cost grow up and then sell. That is all. Why rate increase? By the extension of the system, previous are paid by the next. Pyramid scheme? Yes, so what? Why we are to be afraid of those terrible words? Any bank or insurance company works so all are pyramid in a chemically pure form. Yes, even the dollar is pyramid. Any currency is the pyramid. And everyone has already understood that, but they all lie and hide this unfortunate fact strongly. All banks and insurance companies, they might be sure they are always bubbling about guarantees. Just look how MMM of them only the recent years stopped their work. MMM say everything openly and honestly. What is Bitcoins? Bitcoin is type of digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of unit of currency and verify the transfer of funds operating independently of a central bank. MMM uses Bitcoin, and that's a positive because Bitcoin's transaction allow in every country, so if anyone want to join MMM, they can easily be joined. These all are my payment proofs. Rules of MMM. First, don't create multiple accounts from first computer or IP. Do not change a BTC wallet. If you want to get your money in another BTC wallet, then add new account, but do not change or remove old BTC account. Do not use a public hotspot, proxy and public computer etc. for login to MMM account. Use only your spare money. Don't contribute all the money you have because MMM does not give you any guarantee of your donation amount to be safe. Benefits of MMM. Benefits. Interest. MMM gives you 100% month if you will do 100 by 100 tasks every month. If you will not do your daily tasks, then you will earn 20%. Bonus. Referral bonus, registration bonus, guider bonus, bonus for a video about receiving donation. Referral bonus, you get 10% for all donation of the participant you invited. Example, your referral give provide help $1,000, so you get $100 bonus. Registration bonus, after having registered and making the first donation, the participant receive a bonus in the amount of $20, $50, $100. If your donation is from $50 and $499 for 2 weeks, $20. $50 donation is from 500 and 2,999 frozen for a month. $100 donation is from 3,000 frozen for a month. About freezing, it means that if you take the money out before the term time, you will close the registration bonus only, but you will receive the deposit itself with all the interest occur. Video bonus, having core donation from other member of the community, you can make a video in which you can tell the story of your participants in MMM and thanks those who donate you. You will get 5% of the donation you quote if people can see your face in the video. You will earn 3% of the donation you quote if people don't see your face in the video. Bonus for a video about getting donation can be frozen for 2 weeks. MMM programs. MMM is a community of people providing each other financially help in the participant and graciousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use Bitcoin in infrastructure in our transaction. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lender and no debitor. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one help. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. We are changing the world. Together we change the world. Long live Sergey Mavrodi.